CNC metal spinning machine is an advanced metal processing equipment. Through the precise control of the CNC system, it can achieve micron-level processing accuracy and ensure the accuracy and consistency of product dimensions. Whether it is a complex shape or a fine structure, it can be accurately formed to meet the application scenarios with extremely high precision requirements. It can automate processing and can run continuously, greatly improving production efficiency. Compared with traditional processing methods, it reduces manual operation and processing time, can quickly mass-produce metal products, and effectively reduce production costs. It can spin metal materials with strong force, so that the material gradually deforms during the rotation process, and realizes the processing of various shapes, such as cylindrical, conical, and spherical. It can process metal sheets of various thicknesses, and the surface quality of the formed products is smooth and high in strength, without excessive subsequent processing. It adopts high-quality mechanical structures and components, and is precisely assembled and debugged to ensure that the equipment maintains stable performance in long-term operation. It has perfect fault diagnosis and protection functions, which can detect and solve problems in time, reduce equipment downtime, and improve production efficiency. It is used to produce automotive parts such as wheels, exhaust pipes, drive shafts, etc. CNC metal spinning machines can achieve efficient and precise processing of these parts, improve product quality and performance, and reduce production costs. In addition, with the continuous pursuit of lightweight in the automotive industry, the application of spinning technology in the processing of lightweight materials such as aluminum alloys is becoming more and more widespread. Produce various stainless steel kitchen utensils, such as pots, tableware, etc. The spinning process can produce kitchenware products with a beautiful appearance and reliable quality. Its smooth surface treatment and good strength make the kitchenware both practical and ornamental, meeting the consumer's demand for high-quality kitchenware. Provides a high-quality solution for lamp housing manufacturing. It can process a variety of unique and beautiful lamp housings, such as round, oval, and special shapes. At the same time, the spinning process can make the lamp housing have better heat dissipation performance and improve the service life and stability of the lamp. They are used to manufacture chemical containers, reactors, and other equipment. CNC metal spinning machines can process corrosion-resistant and well-sealed container products to meet the special requirements of the chemical industry for equipment. Its high precision and reliable molding performance ensures the quality and safety of chemical containers.